So guys, I figure I would show you how I make my quick wig. This is the Riri. So I'm going to show you in speed time from beginning to end how I made this unit. Typically real time, it takes about 30 to 35 minutes from beginning to end, but this is a quick one. So you're going to see this in less than 9 minutes. So right now I am just laying my tracks from temple to temple. I marked the area with a stick pin where I needed to stop. And then once I get halfway up the head, I will add the tracks in to create the bang. So now I am adding my bang. I have marked my pins on the top of the head and in the front and the face area, so I will know how long I need the bang to be. And as you can see, I am literally just taking this around in a full circle and creating my bang look as well as the crown of the wig. Be sure that when you are laying your tracks that you go through it with a blow dryer. You want to make sure that that glue is nice and dry and that it is sticking to that mesh cap. So my circle is getting smaller, and once I am at maybe like a ½ inch to an inch, I'm going to create my own little closure for the top of the unit. So now I am creating my closure piece for the top of the unit. And when you are making this, you want to make sure the glue is nice and tacky. You do not want to do it with wet glue or you will end up with a mess. And make sure you are rolling it nice and tight and go behind it with a blow dryer to get it dry. Then you want to flatten the piece out and go across it with a flat iron. This is an old school way to create a closure before the actual lace closures, before anybody was even thinking about that. But I'm sure you can go on some YouTube videos and see how exactly to make the piece. It's super simple and it's cost efficient. So I am all done with the construction of the wig unit. Now I'm just going to add my foam and I'm going to cut her. So I've already pre-measured where I want the bang to stop and where I want the bob to stop. And because I am constructing this unit on a mannequin head and not a human head, I have to follow these measurements. I want to make sure that when my customers purchase this wig unit, that the measurements are exact to what they are in the description section of the website. I don't want to just sell any length and cut them all at different lengths. I actually cut them all the same length. Now I'm just cleaning up the bob to make sure it's nice and straight and that there aren't any under layers on the bob. I want it to be nice and blunt. Now I'm just going to go through the bang once more just to make sure it's the length that I want and the width that I need it to be. So now we are all done, so I'm just going to take her off of the canvas head and we are going to take the plastic from underneath the wig unit. You do not want to leave that on there. So now let's switch her out and put her on a mannequin head with an actual face so you guys can get an idea of what the style looks like. Now remember, a mannequin's head is smaller than a human head, so the bang is not going to fall that long on an actual human. It's going to fall around the eyebrow area. Let's make some last minute finishing touches. I'm all done with her. And remember guys, this is the Quick Wig Reread. I hope you guys enjoyed this video.